Iron Mike was powerful and fluid with the jump rope. In this video, we are going to cover his famous squat jump. In order to master this skill, you have to learn the base skills or it's going to be much harder. So grab your rope and let's do this. The squat jump has a major underlying skill you need to master first, and that is the side under. In order to get this skill down, we will practice it standing up. While it looks difficult in full speed, you can see here that it's a pretty simple pattern. You will start with a side swing to one side and follow it up with another swing to the other side. You will then open the rope back up and jump and repeat starting the sequence over again. You want to make sure that you start slow and get the pattern down and gradually add speed. This is the same pattern you will be doing in the squat jump, and if you just start out going super fast, you're going to trip up and just get frustrated. The next thing you probably need to do is shorten your rope. Since you are squatting down, you can get too much rope slapping the ground, killing your rope speed and causing the rope to bounce up into your feet. I shorten mine by putting a knot on one side of my rope. You may need to shorten yours more or less depending on your current length. Play around with it to find the length that feels good to you. You can see how this allows the rope to slide along the ground much better. You will now add in the squat jump, but start slow. In addition to shortening the rope as you drop it like it's hot, you will raise your hands up to shoulder or head height for the side swings. This will feel awkward at first since you are used to keeping your hands at or around hip level. You don't have to drop all the way down into a deep squat like I'm doing here. You can stop around parallel as well. Gradually add more speed as you become more comfortable with the movement, and be careful with how much you practice this because it can put a lot of pressure on your knees. Want to kick it up a notch? You can also add double unders to your squat jump. Want to learn more boxer jump rope skills? Check these out.